Hello, I'm Bernice and this is the BuildFlow series. Today I'll be speaking about two AI automations built on top of the sales pipeline, which is the Estimate Personalizer and the Deal Health Monitor. Both uses the Claude API we use for the lead qualification system, if you remember. So it's going to be using the same infrastructure, but then different use cases. And so we are going to be starting with the Estimate Personalizer workflow. So this is the Estimate Personalizer workflow. When a deal moves to Estimate Sent, this workflow waits for 2 days and then it fires a code action. Now what this code does is it pulls files from the deal, which is project type, estimate value, company name, contact name, deal name, and it sends all that to Claude with a prompt asking for a short personalized follow-up message specific to this deal and this company. So what Claude does is it writes the draft, it gets saved directly onto the deal record in the follow-up draft field. The salesperson gets an internal notification telling them that the follow-up draft is ready for review and to be sent. And here's what that also looks like on a real deal. So what happens is the sales rep opens the record, reads the draft, makes any edits they want to and send it. They didn't write it from scratch, okay? Or send anything generic. They actually send something specific to the client. So that day 5 and day 10, if the deal is still sitting in estimate sent, the rep gets a notification reminding them to follow up. After day 10, the automated sequence ends and it is entirely up to the rep's call. Now, let's delve into the next workflow. This is the Deal Health Monitor, also known as the Stale Deal Alert, which runs daily. So this has been upgraded. I spoke about this in the core automations side. It's been upgraded with an AI layer now. So any deal without an activity in 21 days gets flagged. After flagging, a code analyzes the deal, the stage, last activity date, last activity, project time, value, and so on and so forth. And then it puts an assessment, a deal health assessment, it writes it into the deal health assessment drafts. This is why the deal is stalling at this stage and what the rep should do about it specifically. So here is an assessment on a stalled deal. Notice that it's not just the flag saying something is wrong. It's a specific diagnosis and a recommended action. So the rep opens the deal and already knows what to do next. The rep also gets a task created automatically so it doesn't get missed. So two automations, both using AI to do the thinking so the rep can just focus on the doing. Please note that these AI integrations are optional and just the core automations are also great as well. Now in the next video, I'm going to talk about integrations, Slack, QuickBooks, and Google Calendar. Thank you for watching.